I am Professor D.M. Pawar. Here in this video, we are going to discuss a very interesting topic in the trigonometry, that is triangle. Here we will discuss what is mean by the triangle, that is definition of that triangle, and then basic terms related to that triangle. So let us start with the definition. What is mean by the triangle? So in the definition, there are two basic important terms are there. So in the definition, we can see a plane figure. Here you can see the definition, a plane figure bounded by three line segment. So the two important points are there. First is nothing but a plane figure. Second one is bounded by three line segment. It's called as triangle. So first term, plane figure. What is mean by the plane figure? So plane figure is simply, we can say, it is two-dimensional figure. 2D, two-dimensional figure means any geometrical figure or any geometrical diagram that can be represented on a plane of paper. That is called as a two-dimensional diagram. It requires only two dimension to express it fully. That is called as a two-dimensional diagram, or that is also called as a plane figure. So second point here in this, nothing but bounded by three line segment. So it must be a three line segment and it must be a bounded. That is, it must create a closed geometrical diagram. Then and then only, if these two conditions satisfy, then and then only we can say that geometrical figure or geometrical diagram is nothing but a triangle. You can see here this diagram. Consider this diagram. In this diagram, you can see there this diagram is a plane figure because it is represented on a plane of paper, that it has only two dimension. It must be length, width, height, that's it. So it has only two dimension because it is represented on a plane of paper, so it is a plane figure. Second point is nothing but it must be a line bounded by a three line segment. Okay, so here you can see here in this diagram, suppose this point is nothing but A, this point is B. So AB is a one line segment. This is first line segment. Then third point is nothing but C, here C. So BC is a second line segment. And third line segment is nothing but A to C. So this is nothing but our third line segment. Okay. So that is clear. Three line segments are there. Line segment AB, line BC and line CA. These three line segments are there. And as we can see here in this diagram, these three line segments are making a closed figure, closed diagram. So according to our definition, this is a plane figure as well as it has three line segments and bounded together. So both these conditions are satisfied. So that's why we can say this diagram is nothing but a triangle. Clear? So this is nothing but the definition of triangle. Let's move forward to the next topic, that is basic terms related to that triangle. Now here in this diagram you can see there are three line segments are there that we have discussed. So whatever these line segments are there, line segment 1, that is nothing but AB line, BC line, that is line segment 2, CA line, that is line segment 3. So whatever these line segments are there, these line segments are called as sides of triangle. So here by observing this diagram, you can say the triangle has three sides. Okay, because it has three line segments. So that line segments are called as sides of triangle. So there are total three sides are there for this triangle. This is first important term. Second important term is nothing but as this intersects at this point B, line segment AB and line segment BC, that is line segment 1, line segment 2 intersects at point B. Correct? So this point of intersection of these two line segments or point of intersection of these two sides of the triangle is called as vertex. Clear? So B point is called as vertex of the triangle. So likewise, how many vertices are there here for this triangle? As there are three line segments are intersecting at 3 points. Point A, that is intersection of line segment AB and AC. Point C, that is intersection of line segment BC and AC. So these three are there, A, B, C. These 3 points are there vertices are called vertices of that triangle. So the triangle has 3 vertices. That is very important term. The third important term in the triangle is nothing but interior angle. So what is meant by the interior angle? As these line segments are making a closed diagram, a closed geometrical figure, then that two line segments, angle made by the any two line segment is called as interior angle. You can see line segment AB, this line segment AB, this one, and line segment BC making an interior angle of this one. That angle is called as, suppose, angle B. Angle B is nothing but angle made by these two line segment AB and line segment BC. So this is nothing but the one of the interior angle. Similarly, angle A, this is angle made by the two line segments AB and AC. So angle A, and this one is angle C. This is made by line segment AC and BC. So there are 3 interior angles are there: angle A, angle B, and angle C. 3 interior angles are there. So this is nothing but the basic terms that are related to the triangle. And triangle is to be represented by this triangle. Suppose ABC are the vertices, then triangle is to be represented like this: triangle A, B, C. This is nothing but representation of triangle. We have to, suppose we have to represent a triangle in some places, then we can say directly triangle, that diagram, that symbol, and ABC. So it represents, this is nothing but the triangle ABC. Okay, so that is basic terms related to triangle and the definition of triangle. Thank you.